That performance wasn't just good, it was history. When a stage is perfect, 3 words come out. Let's master them.
무대 찢었다. 전율. 역대급.
These are the words fans reach for when a performance goes beyond amazing. One by one.
무대가 완벽할 때 쓰는 말이야.
First. Is the stage, literally means tore it up. So, they absolutely killed the stage.
무대 찢었다. 완전 찢었어.
Say mude 찢었다. They killed it today. Just works too.
오늘 무대 찢었다.
Your group performs live with 0 mistakes, more powerful than the recording. The fan cams flood in.
와, 오늘 무대 찢었다 진짜.
You'll also see for anything nailed. Pointed at whatever they destroyed.
보컬도 찢고 랩도 찢었어.
Word 2. It means a thrill, or electric chills, that shiver down your spine when a moment is overwhelming.
전율. 전율이 흐른다.
To get chills, like but grander, more epic. It's electrifying. For goosebump-level performances.
전율 돋았어. 전율이야.
The final chorus hits with every member in perfect harmony and the crowd roars. Your whole body reacts.
전율 돋았어.
Is a step up from. If is chills plus awe, reserved for the biggest moments.
소름을 넘어서 전율이야?
Word 3. It means all-time best, literally of the greatest ever class. The best they've ever done.
역대급. 이건 역대급이다.
Means through history, means class. An all-time best stage. Best visuals ever.
역대급 무대. 역대급 비주얼.
An award show performance instantly becomes the one everyone will replay for years. The verdict is unanimous.
이건 진짜 역대급이다.
Works for anything record-breaking, an all-time heat wave. But for fans, it's the ultimate stage praise.
역대급. 최고 중에 최고.
All 3 are casual fan talk. Pops up even in news headlines, but stays slangy. With the fandom, use all 3 freely.
팬끼리 오케이. 슬랭은 조심.
Your turn, repeat after the native speaker. Killed the stage. Electric chills. All-time best.
무대 찢었다. 전율. 역대급.
Your mission, drop the one stage that gave you, and tell me who the hardest. I'll reply to the best. Subscribe for more.
역대급 무대 댓글에